Hi everyone, this is Atinarana. In this video, you are going to learn about the Agile. So, what is an Agile? Agile is a kind of a methodology especially used in developing the software projects. So, what is a methodology? So, methodology is a kind of procedure. So, earlier we had a different kinds of methodologies like waterfall methodology, V-shaped methodology, or spiral methodology. So, what exactly is the methodology? So, for developing any kind of projects, so without having any kind of process or procedure will lead to the failure of the product. So for that, we need to follow any methodology for developing software development life cycle. So if you look at the traditional methodology like waterfall methodology, there are certain drawbacks like requirements will be gathered in the upfront, design the requirements and then code the requirements and test the requirements, and finally product will be delivered to the customer. If the customer is not satisfies that product, then again we need to go back to the requirements phase and change the requirements, gather the requirements. So like that it will go on. Finally it leads to the failure of the product. In order to overcome all these problems, agile methodology has been developed. So what are the advantages of using agile methodology? So agile is a team collaboration, productivity, flexible, quality, developing good quality product delivered to the customer, quick deliverables, customer satisfaction, and so on. In Agile methodology, we had different kinds of flavors like Scrum, XP, FDD, and so on. But Scrum is one of the most popular framework used by the many companies for developing their products. So, what is a Scrum? Scrum is a kind of framework. It establishes set of rules for developing the product. So, in Scrum, we will divide the project into different kinds of sprints, like smaller components of the product. So each sprint will last about 3 to 4 weeks of time. So once the sprint is completed, it will be delivered to the customer. So so in Scrum we have different kinds of components like team 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 is nothing but a set of developers, testers, quality resources, managers, etc. And product backlog. In product backlog, we'll have all the requirements which used for developing the product, and it is owned by the owner of the product. Sprint backlog. In sprint backlog, every sprint will have a backlog. In each sprint backlog will have set of requirements specific to that sprint, which will be executed by the sprint team. Scrum master, anyone can become a scrum master, like who leads the team in a scrum meetings. So daily we will have meetings with the customer, can review the requirements, in retrospect to the products, everything. So finally we can deliver the product to the customer. Customer can feel happy about the product. Thank you for watching.